Why does your scanner show the P0573 engine code? What does it mean? P0573 is a diagnostic trouble code for brake switch A circuit high. This engine code indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a higher than normal voltage signal from the brake switch circuit, also known as the brake pedal position switch. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty brake light switch, wiring harness issues, cruise control switch malfunction, damaged connectors, clock spring unit failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler and Dodge models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.